Hi folks, welcome to the channel. This time I'm going to be looking at a miniature log burner that I've created. As you can see, it is, excuse me, that's the parrot. It is quite detailed. You've got patterning on the top, pipe coming out, legs, and it's really easy to print. If you use the print profile that I've included in the download on Etsy. I've used a Galaxy Black filament here, as you can see. That's the main body. I have printed a 90-degree pipe extension, but I'm not going to include that. I've adapted it to more of a bend, which is better, I think, for aesthetics. Also, we have here logs with a nice pattern to the front of the grill, and that just slots into there like that, which is, looks amazing if you ask me. And we have two options for front glass fronted door. You can have clear, and then you can put clear plastic behind it to simulate a window, or you can do as I have here, which is created a frosted look. But if you get close, you can actually see the logs through it, and you could possibly pass a miniature LED through the back to light it up with a bit of a red hue, orangey hue. And this can be sized to any size that you want. So it is available on my Etsy, link in the download, in the description below. And if you want one, pop yourself over there. I'll leave this with the time lapse of the pieces so that you can see. And do enjoy. Thanks for watching. Do share, subscribe, like, the usual. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.